Dr. Sajid here again. Today we are going to be discussing vaccines or immunizations. So let me explain what vaccines are, but before I do that, let me give you a little bit of a background. Children as well as grown-ups are often invaded by germs which causes infections, and there are of course many kinds of germs. The two commonest ones are the larger bacteria and the smaller viruses. When they attack the body, then they can cause an infection. So these bacteria or viruses will produce certain chemicals or toxins, as we call them, which will produce the symptoms of that particular disease. For example, measles is a virus caused disease, and the rash, the fever, the red eyes, they're all caused by chemicals that are released by that particular virus. So when that happens, the body produces a defense mechanism, like what we call a force or an antibody or cells against this particular infection. These antibodies are produced in the body of a healthy child or a grown-up, and they stay in the system, and they are like a defense force that will be ready to attack this virus the next time this virus or this bacteria attacks our body. So this is the normal mechanism. Now, since a child, especially being younger and more vulnerable, can get very, very seriously sick because of these infections, scientists have then produced agents which are called vaccines. Now, these are basically modified viruses or bacteria which are weakened, basically. They are weakened to a point where through scientific process, they've become so weak that they cannot produce the disease if they're given it to the humans, but they will induce antibodies. They will cause the body to produce antibodies, and since they produce antibodies, they will then protect the body from infection when it occurs. So if you give a vaccine of, for example, measles to a child, then the child will be protected against the measles, will not get the disease, and will be protected from it. So this is what we call a vaccine, and this process is called vaccination or immunization. Now, what people want to know from us most of the time is, what parents want to know is, are these vaccines effective? Do they work? Yes, they work, and they are quite effective. Of course, different vaccines have different effectiveness, and some will require only one particular shot, and some will require what we call boosters or repeated doses. But the end result is the same, and that is to protect the body from this infection when it occurs. The second thing that most parents want to know is, are these vaccines safe? So safe means, do they cause any harmful effects? So number one, these vaccines do not cause the disease. So you cannot say that the measles vaccine will cause the measles disease. No, it won't. They are safe, which means that they will not cause any harmful effect to the body. They may cause a little bit of a discomfort, like a little bit of fever, like a little bit of pain where the injection is given, but they are quite safe. It is very, very, very rare for a vaccine to produce any serious side effect, and this happens perhaps once in a few million doses worldwide. So they are not only effective, they are safe, and they protect, and this is one single preventive measure that will control infections. So, to summarize, vaccines are agents that protect your body. They're safe and they're effective. And I will, in the next video clip, tell you more about vaccines in greater detail.